Welcome back to the Bronco Nation, your place for all things Bronco. Today, what we're going to be doing is swapping out the stock bumper for the Addictive Desert Designs Stealth Fighter bumper. The ADD Stealth Fighter rear bumper is a low-profile bumper that will allow you to carry a larger size spare, give you more clearance off-road, all while still retaining the factory OEM sensors. With the bumpers next to each other, you can see the difference between the stock rear bumper and the Stealth Fighter bumper. This project will take 4 to 6 hours to complete, and these are the tools you'll need to finish the job. The first step is removing the spare tire. Remove the lug nuts holding the tire in place, then remove the tire. Next, unplug the wire harness going to the bumper along the frame rail. Then, using a 19mm socket, remove the 2 bolts under the tow hooks on each side. Next, using a 15mm socket, remove the bolt inside the fender on both sides and remove the bumper. With the bumper removed, you'll now remove the sensors, the harness, and the license plate light. I found that it was easiest to do this by removing the brackets as well. To remove the inside sensors, open the 2 tabs and pull the sensor out. Then push the sensor bracket through the bumper. Make sure to note the orientation of the sensor for reinstallation into the ADD bumper. Then, separate the white plastic cover from the sensor bezel and install the sensors into the ADD bumper. Once the black bezel is through the bumper, slide the white bezel through the inside. It's important to make sure that all the sensors are pointed up like the OEM bumper. Insert the license plate light into the cutout from the outside of the bumper. Next, we'll hook up the wiring harness. For the inner sensors, you'll need to open up the wire harness to give yourself more length to reach the sensors. Then, insert the 4 nut tabs on the ADD bumper. Now, before installing the bumper, attach the 2 brackets onto the frame horns on the Bronco using the 2 19mm bolts that you removed earlier. Then, secure the bracket using the provided 1 1/8" bolt and nut. Put the bumper in place and bolt it on using the 3 openings in each bracket. The bottom bolt is going to be the black button head bolt and nut. The last part of the process is installing the license plate bracket. Start by putting the 2 bumpers in the bracket. Then, remove the 3 factory 13mm bolts from the tire carrier. Then, mount the bracket and replace the 3 bolts you just took out. Finally, put your spare tire back on the Bronco. So that's it. The bumper is installed and it looks great. We'll put links in the description below where you can pick one of these up if you want to put one on your Bronco. And remember, Bronco Nation members get exclusive pricing at the Bronco Nation store. Now make sure to stick around. We're going to be doing more installation videos with this Bronco, getting it ready for the trail.